At Goat Tools, our mission is to reinvent the customizable multi-tool designed for creative, independent people. You care about being able to modify your environment because only you know what you really need. Introducing our completely redesigned, pocket-friendly modular multi-tool. Our proprietary system allows components to be swapped, rearranged, and grows and adapts to fit anyone's life. The blade has an ultra-sharp, hard, unbreakable feel. Most systems out there are still bulky, heavy, and non-customizable. We designed the Goat multi-tool with ultimate performance and longevity in mind. It's compact, foldable, and lightweight. Goat Tools can help you modify your everyday carry into something better.